The first sub-step of step 7 is to identify conflicting insights. Many of us are conditioned to view conflict as a bad thing, as something we should avoid altogether. But interdisciplinarians are trained to view conflict as a natural part of the work they do. They expect conflict. They look for conflict in the literature. Their goal is to find conflict because it stands in the way of creating new meaning, of integrating insights. We've already identified relevant insights and other useful information in the previous steps of the IRP, specifically during the full-scale literature search. In step 7, we will focus on analyzing the information we've already collected and organized. We'll look for conflict within disciplines, and then we'll look for conflict across disciplines. Sometimes we find complementary insights, which are usually easier to integrate.